as more travels, come along and see the open road adventure and sweet simplicity. Campfires glowing, wheels keep rolling on. We're living the dream where we belong.
Afternoon folks, welcome back to the channel and to another Vanother Collective collaboration video. Now this month's subject is not really one for us, is it, love?
Outdoor cooking.
No, outdoor cooking gadgets.
We were going to skip this one.
We were, but then we discovered that we still have one. I actually used it the other week as well.
You did?
Yes. No, we're not the sort of outdoorsy people. Now, don't get me wrong. I like a barbecued sausage as much as the next man.
If somebody else has cooked it.
Yeah, if somebody else has cooked it, precisely. But
yeah,
no,
we don't even do it at home.
No, we don't. We don't have a barbecue at home. So
no, we have had once in the past, and we never use it, and then it just goes in the bin.
Yeah, precisely.
Or rusty and never used.
No, and most of the stops that we use, the way we use the van, is no camping activities allowed.
Yeah.
Most of the stops that we do, particularly on the continent, you're not allowed. Some of them you're not even allowed to get your chairs out. No. So they're not going to want me to get out the big gas burner grill and Christ knows what else and start doing gourmet steaks. No.
Nah.
No. So basically, it's going to be a relatively short one from us for this week, for this month. But we do have a couple of items that we've used recently. What we'll do is we'll show you them. The first one is our old one-ring gas burner from when we used to have a tent.
Yeah. And
we used to go tenting, and we kept it.
Yeah. Well, you never know when it comes in handy.
No, and it's actually packed in the van for if we do use it when we go away.
Well, you never know. If you run very low on gas, you still want something cooked, and you can dig that out. Yeah,
dig that out because it uses the little
gas canisters,
little gas canisters. That you can pick up and go outdoors for about a £5 for 4.
Yeah. So
basically I'll show you a little bit of footage of us. This was at one of the festivals recently and I was doing some bacon sandwiches outside because it was red hot and I didn't feel like cooking indoors. We don't, as I said earlier, do a lot of cooking outside, but we do have this, which is from our tenting days. And as we're at a festival, and I had a few beers last night,
and it is very hot.
And it is very, very hot. And I'm not cooking in there when it's this hot. I thought, I'll bring it with us and we'll have bacon, which will soak up all the beer from last night. So, bacon sandwiches. Good little bit of kit, this. Thing is, with cooking outside, because we spend most of our time on things like airs, where you're not allowed to do camping things, we don't have anything to cook outside. But at a festival, yeah, we'll bring this along and we'll have bacon sarnies of a morning. Yeah. The other bit that we use, and this is cheating really.
It is because it's not really outdoor cooking.
No, it's not really.
We did do it outside.
We did do it outside. I set the table up. I took the Ecoflow outside, and I plugged the air fryer into it. Now, okay, it's not exactly a big Ecoflow, so a 900 watt air fryer is going to kill the battery pretty damn quickly, but it did do some nice chips.
It does.
So we don't generally do a lot of cooking outside, but one way we can do it, and you can probably hear it in the background, is get the air fryer out on the table and plug it into the Delta 2. And it saves having a very hot van, because that does kick out a bit of heat. Yes, so I'm afraid, folks, that is the limit of what we use for outdoor cooking.
Yes, that's
now,
it.
As I forgot to mention at the start, all the logos for all the other channels will have been floating around at the start somewhere. In fact, this is such a short video, this might still be floating around now.
Might have to speed it up.
Yeah, might have to. Don't forget to go over and watch everybody else's videos because, to be perfectly honest, they might actually cook something. Unlike us. So, yeah, that's basically it from us this month. Like I said, we are not outdoor gourmets. No. It is absolutely pointless us going out and buying all these
Yeah,
all singing,
it
all
is.
dancing, Cadacs and all the rest of it.
We've had a look at it. Oh, that looks nice. That looks nice. And then think, would we really, realistically, would we really use it?
No. And let's think about it. I mean, payloads aren't exactly great on some of these vans. And why would we want to carry around all that extra weight when we're going to use it once in a blue moon?
Yeah.
It's not going to happen, really, is it? So, yeah, on that note, folks, hope you enjoyed this one, as short as it was. And, like I said, go over and watch everybody else's, because they'll probably cook something, because I know most of them do possess a lot of outdoor cooking stuff. So go over and watch them, and you might actually see something interesting. See you on the next one.